Hello, everyone. So, today I was trying to understand some of the new offerings or products from Atlassian, and you can always find these things if you want to know more about these new products. You can always go to the Atlassian website and you can try to understand if you are able to join or evaluate those new products. Usually there is like a waiting list, but some of the products are available maybe for free, or maybe you can just join or basically evaluate it while it is in a beta program, so, or beta state, whatever. So when you go to the Atlassian website today, I want to do a couple of things, and I thought I'll probably do it with you, because when someone is trying to maybe know a bit more about what Atlassian has to offer, of course they will come to this website, atlassian.com. And we have to be honest, I think majority of people who basically come to atlassian.com, or maybe if they know about Atlassian, if they are basically in a way somehow browsing this website, they are definitely interested in Jira. So Jira is definitely the tool, and Jira is of course the most popular tool. But of course, if you want to know more about various other products, you can always spend some time here. But today I thought I'll probably just try to understand these things. Now we all know about Point A, and I'll be honest with you, I don't really understand the. I've made videos on this, and I think Point A program was probably announced 2 years ago, but I don't really understand why there is a need for Point A, because I think we have too many. We all know about Jira, and we all know what Jira can do, right? Perfect. And Jira has, of course, 3 different flavors broadly: service management, software, and now work management. And of course, we know about Confluence. And of course, there are some other tools like Trello and Bitbucket. So we know very clearly about these products and what these products can do, or they are supposed to do. But of course, there are a lot of other things, or a lot of other tools that are needed in application lifecycle management. Let us say you are delivering a project, or you're trying to build a product. You're working in a team, whether you want to follow agile or not, whatever. But there are other tools, right? Now, I think what Atlassian is trying to do, Atlassian is trying to basically get into the entire application lifecycle management, or different tools that are needed from the very beginning till the very end, and even beyond, like for servicing, for service desk. So we have Jira Service Management. Now, if you look at Point A, I'll try to also look at other things, but Point A talks about Atlas. I have tried Atlas before, and I will probably make a separate video on it again. But Atlas is, I still don't understand the difference between. I looked at Compass. I think last week. I think it can be useful because it can also talk to your Jira, and your Jira projects can be used, or components, I guess. So I made a brief video, and Atlas, if I remember correctly, it will do something a bit similar to Compass, but again, the concept seems same, because last time I checked, Atlas, it was basically showing like a single view of what is happening across your teams. So you can definitely follow some topics, or you can basically engage with others. But I'm not really sure how it will be different from, let us say, Confluence. So I definitely see some overlap, because Confluence, we all know, is a wiki, right? And you can definitely use Confluence and link it with your Jira projects, and you can use it for brainstorming. You can then pull things from Jira and you can display it somewhere. But both Atlas and Compass, I am not 100% convinced. I'm sure there is something which I'm missing. At the same time, there is something called as Jira Product Discovery. I don't really think I looked at it before. It says here, try it for free. So these are like all in beta, and you can definitely try these for free if you want. Now, if you look at product discovery, Again, not really sure. Maybe it's more about the ideas, but you can still do it in Confluence, right? I mean, you have Confluence. I mean, what I'm trying to understand is that, let us say, if I have to make a decision, I have to buy tools to support my teams, and let us say they are delivering some products. I will of course use Jira. Jira makes sense. Jira is an issue tracker. You can do a bit of project management using it natively, and maybe you can enhance it using some other features like advanced roadmaps if you pay for the premium version or if you go for the apps. But if you just want to buy Jira and Confluence, would you also be interested in Jira Product Discovery or Atlas or Compass? I am not really sure. I'm sure there is something which I'm missing. But again, now if you look here, there's something called as Beacon, extend detection and response in Atlassian cloud products built for security teams. Okay, no idea. Absolutely no idea about it. Not very clear. It says monitor, track collaboration, risk making, and easier to. So these things are definitely. I mean, of course, there are. I'm sure there is somewhere some talk about it, but I need to figure out. And then we have Fabric. I never really heard about Fabric before. And it says turn ideas into actions faster than before. Idea, connect, advance. So again, I can see here we're talking about idea, some kind of initiative, and I can then maybe see some connection with Jira Product Discovery. So I think we have to probably, I think if let us say I'm a partner, like Atlassian partner, then of course I'll be, in tune with Atlassian here. I'll be aligned with them because partners are supposed to align with Atlassian. But to be honest, I don't really see the point of having these too many products from Atlassian. And most of these products, I mean, I understand they want to probably open it up for beta, and then maybe they want to improve it. But I think Atlassian should probably just focus on improving Jira and maybe introduce these features somewhere within Jira or Confluence, because I don't know if I would buy Atlas separately, or I would buy Compass separately, or I would probably buy, I know it says free, but why would I bother evaluating? I'm not really sure if it will stay free or not, but why would I bother choosing these new offerings, products, standalone without using Jira or maybe Confluence? But maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm missing something. A couple of days back, I also noticed something called as Atlassian Together. I am not, again, absolutely no idea about Together. What is Atlassian Together? And it was basically on the website. I found something. I think I was basically looking into IT service management, and then I clicked on a link, and I have no idea where. Okay, so it says join the team. Maybe not. So let me do a search. Atlassian Together. Yes, I found it now. So it says here join the waitlist. Again, I can see some overlap, a bit of overlap. It says that Atlassian products work better together, and so will you. So it is talking about Trello, Confluence, Jira Work Management, Atlas, Atlassian Access. But if these so is it like a new offering, like yet another tool where we'll log in and we'll basically see the consolidation or connection of different tools together, or maybe we'll see some updates together, or like a common dashboard? No idea. So that is all. I basically just wanted to show you these things, and maybe you can go to Atlassian website and try. So the link is atlassian.com/point A. What is the meaning of point A? No idea. I mean, I know point A. I wrote a blog post about it. I was following it a bit more closely 2 years back, because 2 years back I was supposed to join the 2 years, like 2020 Atlassian Summit, whatever it is called nowadays. I was supposed to join it, but I couldn't go because of obvious reasons. But I was following that, that virtual summit very closely. And even after 2 years, absolutely no idea what is the progress with these products. I'm not even sure if anyone, because it says beta, 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 so I don't really think anyone is using it for doing anything useful. Anyways, I will keep you posted with some new updates if I can. I made a video on Compass. I will probably make a video on these different offerings separately because it is now available for free, or maybe while they're in beta. So why not? One thing that I wanted to try was Atlassian Data Lake. That seems interesting because for reporting you can build wonderful reports just like EasyBI. And I watched a couple of webinars on Atlassian Data Lake, but I don't really have the access. Anyways, that is all. That is all for today. Bye bye.